Hello, this video will quickly show you DeepSeek Chat, a Visionnaire demo app with all the power of the DeepSeek model, one of the best AI models on the market. With this tool, you can have advanced conversations, conduct research, and generate content, all with high-quality answers. You can access it on the Visionnaire website, in the AI Cases section. See how simple it is. All you have to do is type your question and your interests in this text field at the bottom of the page. Don't know what to ask? You can click on these buttons with suggestions, then just wait for the answers. Note that you can continue asking, just like in a real conversation. All your conversations are stored in your history, and you can resume any of them from where you left off. DeepSeek Chat can also be used in dark mode. Just click on this button to choose your viewing preference. And check out something new in our AI demo apps. It's the user account area. In this space, you can choose a photo and a display name, change your password, and contact us. The user area can be accessed in the bottom left corner of the screen of any of our demo apps. DeepSeek Chat is another example of how Visionnaire masters artificial intelligence technologies. In this case, in addition to the DeepSeek model, Supabase was also used as a database. Contact us to discuss the best solutions that use AI to modernize your business.